Module 2. Milk Texturing. The goal in texturing milk is to create silky, densely compacted microfoam that is of a pleasing temperature, between 55 to 63 degrees Celsius. The key to achieving this is careful placement of the tip of the steam wand in relation to the surface of the milk in your jug. The process of steaming milk is about learning to carefully control the height of the milk jug in relation to the tip of the steam wand. This movement is a very fine movement and over time becomes much easier due to muscle memory. This is the hardest part of making coffee to become proficient in. However, there's no reason to be scared, just jump right in. Steps for texturing milk. 1. Select the correct size milk jug or pitcher for the cup you will be filling up. 2. Place the milk jug flat on your bench and fill up the jug to the bottom of the spout. 3. Place your dominant hand that you pour milk with onto the handle of the milk jug. 4. Push the steam wand down to the drip tray of the espresso machine with your chucks cloth wrapped around the tip of the steam wand. 5. Activate the steam momentarily using the steam tap. This will purge any built-up water sitting in the steam wand. 6. Pull the steam wand out to a slight angle. 7. Place the tip of the steam wand into the milk jug approximately 2 cm below the surface of the milk and approximately 2.5 cm from the side of the jug. 8. Activate the steam wand. Note, most steam wands function best when turned all the way on. There is a small amount of wiggle room here. 9. Place your other hand onto the side of the milk jug so that you can feel the temperature and stabilize the jug. 10. Slowly move the milk jug down towards the bench until there is a hissing or spitting sound that occurs. This sound is important as this is how we create microfoam rather than coarse bubbles. 11. Once the volume of the milk has increased 25 to 50%, we do not want to draw any more air down into the milk, so the best practice is to move the milk jug back up slightly so that no more air accidentally gets pulled into the milk. 12. Feel the temperature with your left hand, and once it is too hot to comfortably hold, continue steaming the milk for an additional 1.5 to 2 seconds before turning off the steam tap. 13. Wait for the noise to stop completely and then pull the milk jug down away from the steam wand. 14. Immediately wipe the steam wand thoroughly with the designated chucks cloth and then purge the steam wand again into the drip tray to ensure no milk is left in the tip of the steam wand.